our Power Forge rise was absolutely epic. But real-life Minecraft isn't just about our builds. It's a global phenomenon. It's truly limitless. That's why, in this segment, we gathered some of the most mind-blowing, real-life Minecraft DIY builds from around the globe. First up, look at this intricate papercraft creeper coming to life. The precision, the patience, transforming flat sheets into a recognizable icon. Imagine the sheer dedication. It just shows how a simple design can become a tactile work of art. Get ready to see papercraft, get a whole new level of interactivity. Check the amazing world of magnetic papercraft, bringing a crucial Minecraft structure to life, the blacksmith's forge. Watch as the village takes shape. Each block panel snaps together with a satisfying click. This isn't just a static model, it's modular. What a stunning craft! Imagine being able to reconfigure your own entire Minecraft village. How cool is that? A fully functional papercraft mineshaft and minecart. It's incredible how you can recreate those vast underground worlds with just paper, glue, and a lot of passion. Imagine building an entire network of these, creating your own real-life Minecraft railway system. It's a global phenomenon. It's truly limitless. We gathered some of the most mind-blowing, real-life Minecraft DIY builds from around the globe. That's it for today, builders. If this episode fired up your creative spark, then hit that like button with the force of a diamond pickaxe. It really helps us reach more amazing builders like you. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Real Life Minecraft so you don't miss a single blockbusting adventure.